Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to tonight's special quick little video. In tonight's video, I am going to quickly pick the winner to my 200 subscriber giveaway, and the winner will receive an advent calendar from Ulta called the 12 Days of Beauty, and you will also receive an Ulta 7-piece makeup bag. Now the winners will be chosen from the people who left a comment in the comment section of that video. Now, as a reminder, I can only ship to the U.S. right now, so only U.S. only shipping address, and I will contact the winner through the comment section. And also, I need to hear from the winner after tonight. After I announce the winner, I need to hear from you by Tuesday, November 26, 2019, or I will have to choose another winner. Now, as you can see, I have my random YouTube picker ready to go. It will filter through everybody's name, and I'm going to turn the camera around. First off, I want to say good luck to everybody. Second, I would like to say hello to all my new subscribers. Good luck to everybody, and thank you for subscribing. And let's see who the winner is going to be tonight. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, guys, I have the YouTube random comment picker ready to go. I entered the YouTube video URL right here. It's going to filter duplicate users' names out. So let me click Get YouTube Comments. The amount of unique commenters were 29 people. Okay, so down here, let me try to zoom in. I'm going to hit Start Raffle and pick Random Winner. Good luck, everyone. And the winner is Jean Louise. Congratulations to Jean Louise. Jean wrote, "Great advent calendar. I also love the little boxes. Great price too. Thanks for sharing." Jean Louise, she is a new YouTube, also a new YouTuber. You guys need to go check out her channel also. So congratulations, Jean Louise. I will leave a comment down in the comment section. Send me your address and I will get this out in the mail by Saturday, or as soon as I hear from you, I will get this out in the mail. Congratulations to Jean Louise. Bye, everybody.